If you're wondering how to cancel your Skool subscription, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to take to unsubscribe from Skool, and I'll also give you the rundown on why you might want to consider your alternatives at the end, especially if Skool isn't quite meeting your needs. So first off, let's dive straight into canceling your Skool subscription. The process is pretty straightforward, but you want to make sure you get everything right. To cancel, head over to skool.com and log into your account. Once you log in, go to your profile settings. This is where you manage all your account details. Next thing, look for the billing section. This is usually on the left-hand menu under account, so go ahead and click that. You'll see an option for subscriptions, and under that, you should see a cancel subscription button. Once you hit that, Skool will confirm the cancellation, and you'll receive an email notification to confirm that your subscription has been canceled. Just keep in mind that after you cancel, you'll still have access to your account until the end of the current billing cycle. Now, what happens if you run into issues during the cancellation process? One of the most common reasons users run into problems is billing-related questions or payment issues. If that's the case, you'll want to reach out to Skool's customer support directly. You can do this by clicking on the help button or using their live chat feature. It might take a little time to get a response, but this is typically where you'll find the answers if things aren't going as smoothly as expected. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the refund policy. Unfortunately, Skool doesn't offer refunds for any charges that have already gone through, which is a standard practice for many subscription-based services. But if you've been charged for something unexpected or have been mistakenly charged after cancellation, make sure to get in touch with their support team. If you've canceled Skool but are now wondering what else is out there, you're probably looking for alternatives that might fit your needs better. The reality is that while Skool has some good features, it doesn't work for everyone. Some users have expressed frustration with the platform's lack of customization and flexibility. Plus, for those who need more comprehensive tools, Skool can feel a little limited in terms of features. There are some really strong alternatives available. One I'd highly recommend is Teachable. It's an excellent platform if you're looking for more customization, better integrations, and a robust community building feature set. Teachable allows more flexibility for course creators, offers more design options, and gives you access to detailed analytics and reporting, which Skool can lack. Not to mention, they have a great free trial that gives you access to most of their features. Another strong alternative is Kajabi, which is more premium but packed with advanced features. Kajabi offers a lot of marketing tools built in, allowing you to create landing pages, email campaigns, and even automated funnels. It's a great solution if you want to create a more sophisticated experience for your users. And like Teachable, Kajabi offers an exclusive free trial through the link in the description. So now that you know how to cancel your Skool subscription, it's time to think about what's next. If you're looking for a better experience, these alternatives could really help you grow your business, and remember, through our link, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped make your decision a little easier.